Judge.
Dan Sandy.
So, for your question, how does the Tomasian community affect your being as a educator? Again, how does the Tomasian community affect your being as a educator?
When I first entered here, the first three C's that UST taught me was compassion, competence, and commitment. And since then, from first year, and I'm already in third year, I try to isabuhay that the three C's. And so I'm on my third year, so I think nasa level na ako ng commitment because I'll be fourth year. It really needs my time. Yung commitment ko dapat nandun. So, siguro pag fourth year na ako, dapat kumpleto ko na yung 3 C's na yun. And then, pag naging nasa real life na, trabaho sa job, yun, I'll try to isabuhay.